Let's learn the names of nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are active at night and rest during the day. Owl. A bird that stays awake at night and sees very well in the dark. Bat. A flying mammal that uses sound waves to find its way at night. Raccoon. A clever animal that searches for food at night using its paws. Fox. A shy animal that hunts at night when it is quiet and cool. Hedgehog. A small spiky animal that wakes up at night to find insects. Rat. A fast animal that comes out at night to look for food. Possum. A nighttime climber that eats fruits, insects, and small animals. IA. A unique animal from Madagascar that taps on trees to find insects. Bush baby. A small jumping animal with big eyes that help it see at night. Nightjar. A bird that flies at night and catches insects in the air. Hyena. A strong night hunter with a powerful sense of smell. Leopard. A big cat that moves quietly at night to hunt its prey. Porcupine. A plant-eating animal with sharp quills for protection, active at night. Skunk. A night animal known for spraying a strong smell when scared. Armadillo. An armored animal that digs at night to find insects. Slow loris. A slow-moving animal with big round eyes that see well in the dark. Kinkajou. A forest animal that climbs trees at night to eat fruits and honey. Pangolin. A scaly animal that eats ants and termites after dark. Civet. A small, cat-like animal that looks for fruits and insects at night. Badger. A digging animal that hunts worms and insects during the night. Lynx. A wild cat with tufted ears that hunts at night. Sugar glider. A tiny animal that glides from tree to tree during the night. Tarsier. A small primate with huge eyes that help it see in darkness. Red panda. Red panda. A gentle animal that moves around at night looking for bamboo and fruits. Chinchilla. Chinchilla. A fluffy rodent that jumps and plays during the night. Mole. Mole. An underground digger that looks for insects at night. Wombat. Wombat. A stout, strong animal that comes out at night to eat grass. Koipu. Koipu. A water-loving rodent that swims at night to find plants. Kiwi bird. Kiwi bird. A flightless bird that walks at night and uses its long beak to find food. Jackal. Jackal. A clever night hunter with sharp hearing. Kookaburra. Kookaburra. Some kookaburras look for insects at night, staying active after sunset. Aardvark. Aardvark. A long-snout animal that digs for ants and termites at night. Firefly. Firefly. A tiny insect that glows in the dark to signal other fireflies. Cockroach. Cockroach. An insect that hides during the day and comes out at night for food. Cricket. Cricket. A small insect that makes chirping sounds at night. Margay. Margay. A wild cat that climbs high in trees and hunts at night. Wolf. Wolf. A strong animal that hunts in groups at night and howls to communicate. Springhare. Springhare. A hopping animal that looks for food at night. Tiger. Tiger. A powerful big cat that hunts quietly during the night. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.